Hello everybody! In this video we will talk about the famous shorts from YouTube. They're becoming very popular and could help your channel to grow faster. Intro. Let's talk about shorts. They are so popular nowadays and so helpful for you to make your channel grow faster. There are shorts I saw from very small channels with thousands of views, just like this. But they're tricky because it's always up to YouTube. And I'm gonna explain what I mean. To post a short, there are two rules that you have to follow. The video has to be filmed vertically, like a story, and it has to be a maximum of 1 minute. Now, sometimes YouTube adds 2 seconds, so to be 100% sure, I will make them like 50 to 58 seconds. You can also film your videos in a square size, but I prefer to use and take advantage of the whole screen, so vertical, completely vertical is the best option to go. Now, these are the only rules, but I saw that YouTube is saying that it helps a lot if you put hashtag shorts in the title of your video. And then if you want, because I do that also, I put hashtag shorts also in the description of my video. Now, after you post the video following all the rules, YouTube can post it as a short immediately, or it can take days. I had one that took like a couple of weeks to be posted as a short. So that's what I said, that it's all up to YouTube. By the way, shorts are only going to be visible in smartphones. The average retention in shorts is 20 seconds, so you have to think about it. The first 20 seconds are crucial. Try to make your short like a small story. I know it's just 60 seconds, but try your best. Even though you can use shorts as previews for your videos, better think of a short as a trailer of a movie. Also, I want to tell you that you have to make your short related to your niche. You could make a short with a cute dog and get thousands of views. But the point is to bring traffic to your channel. I mean, unless your channel is about cute dogs. So let's go to the editing software to see how I'm going to do a short, and then I'll publish it. Okay, here we have the short. I already edited. I put nice music and everything. It's 38 seconds well, actually almost 39 seconds. Remember, it has to be less than a minute, but I always do it maximum of 50 seconds. So now I'm going to show you something. If we come here where you see that it says sequence 2, we go to details. So this video is 4K resolution. When it's 4K resolution, it's normally 3840 by 2160. In this case, it's as simple as do it the opposite, 2160 by 3840. That's the vertical way, okay? I wanted to show you this. Another thing I wanted to show you before we export this video to post it is that here I added this, that you can see here, subscribe with the bell and everything. If you can see, I put it a little bit higher. Normally you put it here under, but I put it a little bit higher. Why? Because in the shorts, YouTube already put here something like the name of your channel and this and subscribe. Okay, so we actually don't need this because already YouTube is going to give you that. But I wanted to show you that whatever you want to put, try to put it a little bit higher, because here is going to be the YouTube information that they are giving about your channel. Okay, now let's go to export the file. Now, most of the times when you want to export a file, you come here to custom and you choose whatever the quality you are going to choose. Like normally I go all the way down, and then here down I can see the YouTube 2164K. But in this case, this is going to be the vertical way and I don't want that. So I'm just going to leave it here. If you come here, you're going to see that already by itself, the source is matched. So it's 2160 by 3840. I like to do the render at maximum depth also here. So that's it. That's all I wanted to tell you. So let's export the file. Okay, we are in our YouTube studio here in our channel. So what we're going to do here before we start uploading, it's coming here, if you see here in customization, and you're going to see here on the bottom feature sections, okay? We're going to add a section. And this section is going to be called short videos. You see, it's already done here. It's a preset, short videos, because this is where all the shorts that we put are going to go there. You just click here and it's created. Okay, now we publish the section and it's done. Now we're going to come here to create, like I showed you before, how to upload a video. Come to create, upload videos, and you know how to upload the videos. There you go. It's already uploading. So what do you want to put here in the video? Let's put any title. Introduction to my channel, okay? Now, as I told you, I like to put here the hashtag. So I'm gonna put hashtag shorts, okay? Then this is already a plus. It's already telling YouTube this is a short, okay? Besides it's less than 1 minute, and besides it's, that is a vertical video. Now we come here. So in the description, I will add this, and I will add also here the hashtag shorts. It looks like it's something random, but you know what? I prefer to be 100% sure that everything is okay. Now we're going to wait until the video is uploaded, and I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, it's already uploaded. As you can see, it was very fast because the shorts are so small that it was fast. Now here they give you the option for a thumbnail. Not necessarily you need to put a thumbnail, because when you see the shorts, there's no thumbnails there. But just in case, if your short's gonna take few days to be posted as a short, I will suggest you to do a thumbnail, just like in your page, it's not gonna look bad. So I created this thumbnail, and that's it. Then it's exactly all the same that you can see here, how to do it. You put private, you publish it. In this case, we're gonna put public. And then we can go here, and in playlist, you can create a playlist that I will suggest you to do. Let's create a playlist called shorts, just for us to be sure that all the shorts are going to be there. So we create a playlist and done. And that's it. You put save and your short is already published. Okay, if we go here to customization, we can go down and we can check actually that the video you just published immediately by itself, by default, went to shorts because it's vertical, because it's less than 60 seconds. So it immediately here. So it means YouTube already checked that this is a short. Now, let's cross the fingers and wait that YouTube is going to post it immediately so that we can start generating views, because this is crazy. This video as a short can have thousands of views, and even if your channel is small, it can bring traffic to your channel and you can grow fast. If you like this video, please subscribe and give me a like. And if you want to support me so that I can keep creating content for you, you can actually buy me a coffee. I'm gonna explain you how in the description below. Until next week.